Hare Krishna Prabhuji, my name is Nikhil Prajapati, and now I am going to discuss some important assertion and reason questions of biodiversity and conservation. Now, the first question is assertion: nature's biological library is burning even before we catalog the title of all book stock there. So, assertion is true. Reason: large fraction of biological species face the threat of becoming extinct even before we discovered them. ये भी true है. And ये assertion, ये reason भी है assertion का. So option first, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. A second question: in a general, species diversity decrease as we move away from the equator to towards the pole. Assertion is true. Reason: from equator to pole, X environment become more constant and predictable. इक्वेटर की तरफ से नहीं. रीजन गलत है इसका. So assertion is true and reason is false. Option number third. Now move the next question. Assertion: constant environment promote greater diversity. Constant environment promote greater diversity. And reason: constant environment promote niche specialization. दोनों ट्रू है. कांस्टेंट एनवायरनमेंट प्रमोट ग्रेटर डाइवर्सिटी. यस, प्रमोट तो करता है ग्रेटर डाइवर्सिटी को. एंड कांस्टेंट एनवायरनमेंट प्रमोट नीश स्पेशलाइजेशन. यस, बट ये दोनों एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहा है. मतलब ये असर्शन को एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहा है रीजन. सो ऑप्शन सेकंड इज ट्रू. नाउ द fourth questions. For a species area relationship among the very large area like entire continent, value of regresson's coefficient increases. Reason: within a region species richness increase with increased explored area but only up to the limit. For a species area relationship among a very large like entire continent, value of regresson's coefficient increase. Yes, first assertion is true. And reason: within a great species richness increase with increased explored area but only up to a limit. So ये भी true है. and ये explain भी कर रहा है. Option first, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Now the fifth question is: removal of a keystone species from any ecosystem led to the destruction of entire ecosystem. Yes, true. And keystone species drive a major ecosystem function. ये भी true है. and ये explain भी कर रहा है इसको. तो option first is true. Both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is correct explanation of assertion. And the next question is: habitat loss and fragmentation is one of the most important cause among the evil aquatic. Reason: habitat is a physical species where all the necessities of life is to be fulfilled. So assertion तो true है ही, and reason भी true है. एंड एक्सप्लेन भी तो कर ही रहा है क्योंकि फुलफिल तो करेगा. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, बोथ assertion and reason are true and correct explanation. Option question number 7. Habitat fragmentations due to human activity is responsible for a destruction of biodiversity. Reason: mammals and birds require a large territory. Mammals and birds require a large territory. Yes. रीजन ट्रू है. एंड हैबिtat fragmentations due to human activity is responsible for destruction of biodiversity. तो assertion भी true है and reason भी true है. एंड दोनों एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे को, मतलब रीजन एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है असर्शन को. एंड 8th क्वेश्चन, coexistence is also one of the evil quoted about diversity losses. Coexistence is also one of the evil quoted about biodiversity losses. And reason, when a species become extinct, the plant and animal species associated with the facultative wave also become extinct. Assertion तो true है, but reason नहीं true है. When a species become extinct, the plant and animal species associated with it facultative wave also become extinct. So option 3rd is correct. Assertion is true, but reason is